Hey everybody, good afternoon. Neil here. It's end of week Friday, and we're going to do a recap and see if that can give us any information, clue as to what we might be looking at for next week. So, to start with a daily, then I'm going to flip you over to a weekly here in just a minute. But you can see selling. Now, that I don't have the reversal signal at the bottom yet, okay? So, but I am going to be talking about looking up a little bit next week. So, selling quite a bit, actually, whatever, 62 by 56-ish hundred. And but the thing is now we're out from underneath the pressure of this expiration, right? So I'm looking at the loss of momentum here, of that downward momentum, the loss of that on the histogram, on the squeeze histogram. Got a ready and fire buy from down here, and we're going out pretty good on the day, pretty good. I mean, back to 5,700. So in the ES, which is right in the middle, honestly. I say the middle. The put and call walls in SPX were 56 by 5,700. It looks like it's going to go out, I don't know, 56, 65 or so, something like that in SPX, which is like 5,700 ES. Pretty good. And so we're going to be talking about maybe getting a little relief rally, a little relief bid off of the pretty intense selling, that's occurred here for the last 4 weeks, I guess, or so, about 4 weeks. All right, so we'll switch into a weekly and have a look at it there and see if we can find any help here with this. Last week you can see excess, and then we're getting this little kind of little bit of follow through anyway. So here we go. Breach top on an excess low. Breach top could be trigger, and then we come back in and find the support to then rotate up. So I'm going to look at support 56.15 ES for next week, to try and see if we can target 58.40. Might be a stretch, but that's what I'm going to be looking for, 58.40. Now, maybe that takes next week, maybe that takes 2 weeks. But see, time's variable there. I don't know about time, how long does it take to get there, but I'd be looking to try to reach back up and tag this, and then honestly
roll
back over. And when it does roll back over, I'll be 53, like 50 down here next. All right, but first I'm thinking 56.15 support for up, 58.40 target, overhead, and we'll have to see, okay, but I'm thinking overhead. It gets trapped and it rolls back down for another leg. Like this would be 1, and then 2 up, and then 3 down. So that's what I got on my mind for right now for the ES. Coming up, I'm going to switch over and do the next video here in a minute. We'll look at a few things like Euro, gold, Bitcoin, etc. But that's it for here for now. Hope it helps and you guys have good trading. See you again next week.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me